May this new year all your dreams turn into reality and all your efforts into great achievements. Wishing you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021. Today I am going to share with you 6 colorful title templates for Premiere Pro. I have also included all the fonts required for these templates. Font changing feature available in 2019 Plus version templates. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking a full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install templates. Install them all one by one. I am placing all templates on the timeline. Here in the Title 1 Edit section, you can change text and font. Here you can change text colors. If you want to scale down the text, here you can do it. Scale animation and change its position here. In Title 2, here you can change text colors. Enable and disable background here. Scale animation and change its position here. In Title 3 and 4, here you can change all colors. In Title 5, here you can change text color randomness. These titles have only an animation. To make out animation, press Alt and drag to make a copy of it. Place it in front. Right-click on the copied template. Go to Speed/Duration, then check on Reverse Speed. That's it. Thanks for watching.